guys, so welcome to this week's vlog. And yeah, so I'm getting ready for class. I want to do a minimal makeup thing because I'm going somewhere after that. Yeah, so primer. Tumeingia finally. There's a long process of change. Who poses the greatest threat to biodiversity? Bro.
Mama amejitayarisha.
Aje? As the children we are. Yo. Siwezi karibia no. Nasikia hiyo kitu inapaswanga mtu mara mbili. Eh. So peaceful here. So huge.
Kimbia unaamua yema inasimama tu. Mama itakuwa tu sawa.
Itakuwa tu sawa. carefully doing it. Hapana, hapa siwezi na simu. Siko nini. Kai shit.
Reminds me of like when you're not the most embarrassing thing you might be in
Hi guys, so it's yet another day and I've just realized I've not been like explaining things, like I've just been doing stuff like for the video and I'm not even saying anything. So I just thought it will be nice to do a little catch up and update you guys on what's happening right now with my life. You know, that's the whole point of this channel. Like I just like documenting my beautiful life. I think it's beautiful, but yeah. So first things first, I got my hair done and yeah, I just love unique hairstyles, like unique colors. I don't like the obvious, so I mixed up 3 colors. It was, I know it's black and white and a touch of brown. I don't know if you can see, like there's a touch of brown color. And then what else, like guys, the course I chose for myself is showing me wonders. Wave say, like I've just been so busy during the day, so I am studying at night. So I've just been having very late nights. I've just been having late nights and early mornings. So yeah, and then what else? I have 2 CATs next week, so that's what I am also trying to get ready for. And what else? Yeah, otherwise all good. I hope you guys are also doing well. I woke up to no water. Imagine, like I think there was water in the morning, but by the time I woke up there wasn't any water. So imagine pia nimeenda kuhasolia maji like ya asubuhi jameni, like what? Yeah, but I got some water to use to bathe and for breakfast from a different floor. Mimi nishafanya gym yangu ya leo. Yeah, and then today I also have a meetup with a friend, so I'll take you guys through that. And yeah guys, it's nice catching up with you guys. I just thought it would be nice to just update you guys because I just feel like I'm just vlogging, but I need to communicate, so that's what I am doing. Yeah guys, so I hope you have a good day and a good week and a good month. Yeah. Ukiniuliza hiyo swali ya nini? Unatoa snap, unaweka kamera, alafu
unachagua spot unaenda uone kitu chochote.
nishaifanya hivyo kafo hapa. Nenda kwa wengine. Kila mahali. Utajipata YouTube. Hi guys, so today is on a Saturday and I've just completed my morning study session. I really needed to, guys, like man, and I'm not even halfway there yet. So yeah, so today I'm going to have a very productive day. I just have so much to do, like my weekends zinakwanga too occupied. Yeah, so I want to first make breakfast. I don't have bread, so I want to make waffles for breakfast. I have the ingredients. I have eggs, I have milk, I have sugar and everything else. And then I have to also do my cleaning, just a little laundry. It's not much, just for this week. And then I also have to have another study session in the afternoon, in the evening, I'm not sure. And then I also have to edit this vlog because tomorrow is on Sunday and I always post my videos on Sunday. So yeah guys, I'll just take you guys through my day. And yeah, so yeah, bye guys. Yeah, here are my tote bags, the ones that were dirty, and these shoes. Yeah, I just use this space to hang stuff that are so important to me and I can't afford to lose them, because yeah, so although kunanga wizi, but I can't lose this. Yeah. guys, so it's around almost 7 p.m. I was waiting for the, like, there was power outage, so I was waiting for the electricity to come back so that I can record the end of this video while doing something exciting, guys. So I'm just from picking up, let me take it, I'm just from picking up my package from Elimisha charity campaign. Yeah, so let's unbox together, and in case, okay, you don't know what it is, so let me just unbox it first and then I give you guys the details. Yeah, so it came in this little packaging. Oh, nilikuwa ndani kitu ndani. Yeah, it came with this little cute packaging, and then yeah, so ta-da! I have been wanting this bottle for the longest, and finally it's here. Yeah, I just love it. It's nice. Yeah. So in case you would love such a bottle, make sure you follow Elimisha charity campaign on Instagram. You can place your orders. And yeah, guys, so this marks the end of this week's vlog, and thank you so much, guys, for your support. And yeah, bye, guys.